Although I join, I have no joy in this contract tonight. I'm too rash, too unadvised, too sudden, too like the lightning which doth cease to be.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today, for our next Halloween transformation video, we're going to be transforming into Jules from the Halloween episode of Euphoria. So, I'm obsessed with this show, and even though it kind of hits different when you've kind of, experienced a lot of that stuff, but anyway. So, if you don't know, Jules and actually all the other girls in the episode are all wearing costumes that kind of reflect a TV or movie character. For Jules, she's not just an angel, she's actually dressed up as Juliet from Romeo and Juliet, the Claire Danes version. And I just absolutely love this look on her. I think it's so perfect for her character and the whole Romeo and Juliet, Jules and Rue, you know what I'm saying? But the makeup, obviously Claire Danes didn't really have any makeup in the movie, but Jules really put her own spin on it, and I think it looks gorgeous, and I really wanted to try it out. The main chunk of this tutorial is the eyes, and for that part, it's pretty self-explanatory. You can kind of just watch and see, there's no reason for me to be narrating this, because honestly, I don't know what to say, and I'm not the best person to get advice from, especially with makeup. So I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the music, and and don't worry, I'll put up the products and stuff that I'm using. So yeah, thank you for watching, and sit back and enjoy.
About it right now, everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay. You have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. And if you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. You're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
One can say it light and sweet goodnight. This bud of love, by summer's ripening breath, may prove a beauteous flower when we next meet.